In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily sync Trello and Asana, two of the most popular project management tools available. By the end of this guide, you'll understand how to efficiently use the integration to streamline your workflow, saving you time and enhancing productivity. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Once you're all set there, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Trello board. You should see a small rocket ship icon. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to the world of power-ups, which are essentially plugins developed by third-party creators to extend the functionality of Trello according to your specific needs. After clicking the rocket ship, you'll see a menu open up. In this menu, you need to select Add Power-ups. Think of this list as a treasure trove of additional features that can supercharge your Trello experience, tailored to various tasks and integrations, and our goal here is to find that perfect sync with Asana. To do this, use the search bar and type in Asana integration by API Labs. API Labs has developed this integration to bridge the gap between Trello and Asana effectively. Once you spot it in the search results, go ahead and hit that Add button. Doing so adds this powerful tool directly into your Trello environment. Now, let's head back to the menu with the rocket ship icon, just like we did at the start. Clicking the icon once again will reopen the Power-Ups menu. This time, find the Asana integration that you just added and click on it to authorize its usage. Authorization is a necessary step, as it allows the integration to access the necessary information and perform the sync between Trello and Asana seamlessly. Just follow the prompts to provide the needed permissions, which should only take a few moments. Once the authorization process is completed, you're ready to start benefiting from this integration. Begin exploring its capabilities by using it immediately within your workflows. I recommend taking a few minutes to visit its page within the Power-Ups browser to read through all the functionalities it offers. Understanding the full potential of this integration will allow you to optimize it to suit your project management needs. And there you have it, a straightforward method to sync Trello and Asana using a simple Power-Up. This integration ensures that your tasks remain organized and up to date across both platforms, enhancing your project's overall efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing!